folks, I'm Keith Bowen. This is Hard Rock University, and it's winter time, so it's maintenance and stuff. This truck here, Loren just got this used, got a great price on it. But as you can see, this hitch is bent. There's a few other things, and Loren, being the particular person he is, he's gonna just kind of rearrange all of this in here and fix it all up. Put a regular hitch in there too. So we got a lot of work to do. We're gonna be cutting stuff out, straightening things, replacing stuff. So we will have some fun. Well, I will have some fun because it's not my truck. New air conditioning compressor in there. Changing the suspension ball joint. Repacking bearings, whole 9 yards. And here's a cute little trick. After taking an old panel that's been sun decayed over years and cleaning it up and this and that and the other, use a hot air gun to restore the lost finish to it. You have to be careful, but apparently it can be done.
You can then find out how you can creating this new TV
the
show.
dashboard obviously
Adventures with Iggy and Mr. Kurt.
a little worse to wear for all the years.
Brave.com.
So, been removed and will be replaced.
In one of the episodes.
So, here's a new hitch being built on the whole thing, super strong. Dash is pretty much all fixified, except he's got some new stuff he's putting in. Seat still needs to be returned.
Each one leading to the next. All New Orleans.
New radiator, electric fans.
All electric.
All the other stuff is fixed up. So, got some electrical wiring to do here.
Opened our southern border. Now the Mexican
New suspension ball joints.
and killing over 70,000
Coming together. So there's the back of the truck now. Hitch is all completed. This provides extra support all the way up to bolt-on crossmember. The whole thing unbolts. Backup lights. There's a backup camera. Put a backup and a load camera up there. New speakers, okay. New entertainment system. So it's getting there now. Turn signal works. Front bumper all done, new fog lights. Very nicely done. Okay, so this is going to be the last look for now. We got the hitch. These have flopped down, so you can take the sideboards off and such. He's got cargo lights, light bar, load monitoring camera, also monitors the trailer if you want. We did the rear pinion seal and changed all the oil in the diff. Transmission was rebuilt recently before he got it. All the front bumper looks pretty. New AC components. More wiring stuff. This compressor here has been fixed, so it's all working fine. New wiring setup for that. New relay set here for all kinds of things. New ball joints down there. Obviously, new tires and wheels for a couple of them. Ooh, that seat looks nice. And that's the entertainment center and the cameras, the backup camera and the cargo camera. New controls.
You got side lights,
Oh, damn!
front lights.
Let's see, front lights, yeah.
There's light bar.
Yeah, there's your light bar up there.
And we got the rear lights back there.
And then backup lights and backup camera. Turn the backup camera on. That's the cargo camera. That's the backup camera. See the ball there? So he can just back it right in and hitch stuff up. So he has made this a lot better than when he got it. Fixed some weaknesses, did some repairs, added some improvements, and it's going to be a nice, versatile truck. There's the tailgate there. So, heck of a job, Loren. It's looking good. It'll probably outlast me.
I just got this to port out the back. It's going to be a set of jumper cables running 120 amp. Then all you do is just auxiliary switch, and it turns on this. And
Auxiliary power supply.
plug in winch or jumper cables or whatever you want to the back. So
Well, I gotta say, it looks really nice. And I think, as I've known all the upgrades and this, that, and the other, this is a heck of a nice truck. So I'm going to sign off here so we can check out the van, get ready to go to to Boston. And here's the big reveal. Looking good. Happy prospecting and keep it safe out there.